Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Morning Rant, the show in which I talk about my life as a TV commercial director and software developer. I'm Alex Racuglia, and this is the Morning Rant. Today, I want to do a very brief show because I'm coughing continuously. And so I developed a new thing for my software Postcutter that tries to identify the moment in time in which the speaker is coughing to eliminate them. It's working quite well, something like 80% reduction. I'm still tweaking a lot, but I'm quite satisfied with the results. Before releasing this new app in the world, something that can take me some months because I'm still working on this content AI, which entered the final stage of a release candidate, I added this new feature to Altimedia Converter, one of my favorite apps, the one that I love most because it's an app that includes many apps inside. It's not a simple converter such as Apple Compressor or Adobe Media Encoder. It's a workflow enabler for media transcoding. And then I added this feature that tries to identify the coughing moment in time for audio files and cut them. It works quite well. It's not perfect, but it does a very, very, very interesting job. Let's say that can make you save something like 80% of time, 70-80% of time of audio cutting to eliminate cough. And then I changed a feature yet in Altimedia Converter. I used a previous machine learning model to identify the foreground subject of an image and to eliminate the background. And then I found this new model that is very, very better compared to the previous one, but it's slower. But I don't care. And then I added this new model and deleted the previous one. Both model occupies something like 170 megabytes, and so they are quite heavy. So I decided not to include both in the app. Maybe one day I will develop a very cool and stable and robust and resilient way to download all those models to be independent from the app. But for now, I have to stick with this procedure because I have a lot of stuff to think about. You can see in this image the result started from the previous model and using the new one. And then I try to use it to separate the subject on a stock video and to see which one is the better. I think that the second one is better, but let me know what you think about in the comments below. No, I'm joking. I always want to listen to your opinions, but this time, this new model is so much better than the previous one that I decided as a dictator to use it from now on my apps. That's all for today. I'm very tired. I didn't sleep this night because my wife is a little ill and my son searched for her. And I just want to crash on my bed, but this couldn't happen until May. So, that's my life as a miserable software developer. If you like this kind of content, and I think it's not the case for this video, subscribe to this video below and click on the bell so you will be notified when I will post a new video here on YouTube. Comment this video, everything, blah, 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 blah. Subscribe to this channel. It's always the same and I hate to repeat myself. That's all for today, and then ciao.